using some grains that I got from a company called Unsifted. It's a mix of grains that comes already pre-blended, and I really liked it. It was my first time using it to make cookies. So I'm grinding those grains to make the flour that I'm going to use for the cookies. Once you use the Wonder Mill, you want to start the machine first and then put the grains so that the machine doesn't clog up. That's the way that machine is used. And as far as sound level, it's about as loud as a vacuum, the sound that it makes. And then the canister that's on the side is where the flour is going. It's grinding it and it's going on the canister on the side. It's a pretty fast process, doesn't take time, and it's definitely worth it to use this machine. I really like this machine. I've been using it for about 2 months now and I really like it. And specifically for that mill, you'll see me later on showing you that I had it on the pastry setting just because I wanted the flour to be fine, very fine for the cookies. But typically for bread, I would use it on the bread setting. But let me show you right here. So you see the pastry setting or the bread setting, but the pastry one I use for this particular cookies. Again, for the bread setting would be for making bread. And that's it. That's how it does it, super fast. And this is how the flour looks.